It is another day I'm embarking on my monthly challenge. This is my front veranda. Step by step, I'm ready to tile my front veranda. Every evening, I will sit at this veranda watching the sun go down. I'm already prepared to go to Kisumu. That is where I normally go to purchase my tiles. I've already called my tuk-tuk rider to let him know I'll be in Kisumu so that he can transport me back with the tiles. I've also called Fundi Dave. I call him Dave Tiles. He's the one who places tiles in my house so that he can come and place the tiles tomorrow. It's a beautiful morning. It's very cool and not hot. So I am off to go and board my matatu. This is Kisumu downtown, just near Kamas. I normally like this area. There are so many stores selling tiles in this area. I managed to get into 4 stores and I was just walking around to see if I'll see what I really want. And when I got into this store, I was impressed with this tile. So I looked around, but I will always go with the first impression so that I don't confuse myself more. I decided to go with this pattern. This is 40 by 40 and I got it at a good price. Some of the shops were selling 40 by 40 at 1200 and some 1150, but I got it here at 1000 per box. We got home very fast. This time the tuk-tuk was lighter. It was only carrying 10 boxes of tiles. I didn't buy grout. I had remained with some the other time I was tiling my sitting room. He is also helping me to offload the tiles from the tuk-tuk to the house. And when he completed, off he goes back to Kisumu. I already have each and everything I needed. I went to the shopping center and I got 6 bags of cement at Kenyan shillings 750 per bag. I also have 10 cartons of tiles. There are also 2 packets of spacers. We now want to start working on this front veranda. Veranda is a roofed platform along the outside of a house, leveled with the ground floor. A word similar to veranda is a porch. Fundis are already here and they are going to start by placing tiles in water. Floor tiles are often placed in water before use because it helps to prevent the tiles from cracking or breaking during the installation process. When tiles are dry, they can absorb moisture from the adhesive, and this can cause the tiles to expand and contract, which can lead to cracking. Soaking the tiles in water before use helps to prevent this by ensuring that the tiles are already moist and will not absorb additional moist from the adhesive. Additionally, soaking the tiles in water can also help to make them more flexible and easier to work with, which can make the installation process go smooth. There is another process of cement. And Fundi is preparing the cement to be used in placing the tiles. Cement is used to adhere tiles to wall or the floor. It's a kind of cementitious substance. It's the most generally utilized material for placing ceramic tiles. It is also the oldest material that is being used for walls and floors. They now want to start working. The cement is already prepared, and the floor will also be moist with water. They are also removing tiles in water so that they start working. Here is Fundi Dave. He has started working already. He has only placed 2 tiles, and we want to see how far this is going to take him. It's already noon, and they are nearly completing the whole veranda. Look at how it looks like. And this is how messy tiles can be with cement. They went for a break for lunch, and when they came back, they had already started placing the skirting. And this is now what they are doing. The skirting is already placed. They are also placing the tiles in between the pillars. At first, Fundi Dave wanted to leave it for another time because it was getting to evening. But he decided to complete the work today because tomorrow he wants to go and do some work somewhere else. Fundi Dev is still working on the pillars, and the other Fundi is sweeping the place to prepare for applying the grout. They've now started applying the grout. Grout is used as a filler for the joint in between tiles once the floor or wall you are installing has been set. The purpose of grout, like I have mentioned above, is filling gaps like the spaces between the tiles. Grout fills in those gaps and prevents the tiles from moving over time or getting cracked along the edges. We can see the Fundi now completing to fill in the gaps between the tiles. And he is going to do this on the whole surface of the veranda. When they had completed applying the grout, they will leave it for a few minutes, and then after that, they will start scrubbing the grout. Fundideva started the process of scrubbing the grout. He is using dry steel wool for scrubbing. After completing scrubbing, this is the outcome. I like it. They completed the work a bit late. It's around 7:30 and they have left. I will clean the place tomorrow. This is how it looks. Tell me what you think, my beautiful viewers. I want to leave it at that. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being with me. Kindly consider subscribing to my channel if you've not done so. Don't forget to give me that thumbs up and let us meet on my next video.